Yo, I'm running a 72 volt battery on the stock motor for the Rev One, and we're going over 40 plus miles per hour. Pretty nuts on this small, tiny motor. Woo-wee. 38, and we should slow down here. Still pretty residential here. So I connected the white wire to the original controller, so that way the speedometer works on the original display. But you can see here I have right now 80 volts in the battery. It still looks kind of Frankenstein, because again, we're just testing it. Just the other day I had a 60 volt battery here, and the top speed was 41 mile per hour. But right now, we're gonna try to get more testing and do more top speed. I tested it a little bit last night, and it wasn't really, the motor wasn't warm or anything like that, or the controller was just barely warm. Alright, here we go, some top speed. 30 miles per hour, so quick. 34, 36, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45, 40, and I gotta stop. Oh man, I definitely saw 46. Yo, this bike is totally different now. Can you feel my controller? Oh yeah, it's fine. And this controller is only like $50 on Amazon. I just assembled the DRT version just yesterday. But again, it's a pretty high bike for my taste, like tall bike, because I am short at 5'6", 5'7" foot only. And I really like how short this city version is. You can see everything is kind of just Frankenstein. I'm just in the testing phase. This is a 72 volt, 40 amp on the BMS. So honestly, we're only running around 2.5k watts, 2800 watts on this stock motor. As you can see, everything there is original. But we're keeping up with the streets here in West Covina area. Love it. And this battery is originally in my Super73 RX build, but I had no clue that this bafang tiny stock motor can output 2800 watts, which results to, I don't know, 46 miles per hour. We're doing more testing here. This is a good place to test for sure. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Top speed, let's go. Should be an open road. It's a little bit of a uphill too. 37 miles per hour. 30, 40. We got a red light. Yikes. So that killed that experiment. We're gonna get one more try here. All right, here we go. Woo. Come on, Rev One. 25, 28. 37, 40, 41, 43, 46. 46. Looks like we're locked at 46 and I'm gonna let off here. Woo-wee. And we're in Santa Fe Dam already, pretty much. Offload, when I had it on the motorcycle stand, it was doing about 56, 57 miles per hour. Obviously that's going to be faster. And I weigh about 162 pounds. And I guess that results in like a 10 mile per hour difference. Now the challenge is finding a good way to mount this damn battery, because I don't like Frankenstein looking bikes, you know what I mean? But that's crazy. I'm so baffled. I really thought that this motor would be weaker. I had no idea. Like, you know, the Super73 RX stock motor, I overvolted that for about a year now, and that's doing fine. And it's a little bit beefier, so I thought that output would be you know, stronger than this one. But this little bafang motor, oh my god, what the heck, guys? I mean, like, look, I've already gone about 3 miles and no issues on my end. Super windy up here. We're just gonna keep it like that. We're gonna like feel around our motor and make sure everything is a-okay. $50 on Amazon. Get yourself a 72 volt battery. Motor is fine. Controller is fine. The wires are just barely warm. So yeah, that's freaking amazing, guys. 60 volt looks like cleaner battery tank. I'm just shopping around the market for like a good 72 volt battery that already has a tank. The thick Canon ones won't fit up here, and they actually won't even fit here either. So right now this is the triangle battery for my Super 73 72 volt build. But yeah, man. So I've driven it for 3 to 5 miles already, and this bike's amazing. Again, I really like how low it is to the ground. It sits like at 31 inches seat height, and that's like the perfect height for me and my wife. Alright, so I'm gonna lift the wheel up, and you're gonna see the miles per hour here. If I throttle it, you see 57 miles per hour. So that thing is spinning fast. Just in time for summer. Alright, we're gonna turn around, grab ourselves some breakfast, and do some video editing. I wonder if I could connect my PAS, but I don't really see the need. There are, on this controller, has PAS settings, but I don't want it to jerk on me, because it's PAS settings, there's really no fine-tuning it. It's not that I know of. Anyhow, grab yourself a Rev1 DRT or the full suspension version, or what I recommend. Definitely cop yourself one of these bikes, guys. It's really great on value. Get further discounts using my link in the description below. Stay tuned for more content. That's going to be in today's video, folks. Thank you for tuning in. This is E-Bike Adventures signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace. Hell yeah. The main thing for me is just keeping up with traffic and not having to yield so much. I don't know, comment below if I should somehow fabricate a 72 volt casing for this thing. For me, I'd rather buy the battery casing already with a tank. But right now, the ones that I know are only like on the weak capacity side. Like, I think the battery tank that will only fit is a 72 volt. 12 amp or 10 amp for smallest cell or something like that. Or I just wish Ride1up would create a battery tank, like a better one. The current storage cage is not enough. Not in my opinion. It's not meant to hold like heavy batteries. It's only meant to hold like, you know, sweaters and groceries and stuff like that.